is day 2. And now we're awaiting the technical awards that are going to happen right here. So let's go ahead and see what the celebs have to say about this one.
First of all, welcome to TOIFA. Film awards की list में बहुत ही powerful नाम जोड़ा है Times of India के साथ. What's your take on that?
I know, till now I thought Filmfare was also Times of India. That was powerful enough.
Times of India has a legacy behind them. They already have the Filmfare Awards.
Now you have TOIFA, and that's double powerful.
Because I think whatever the Times Group does, they do it really well and they know exactly what they are headed for.
Times of India has been a leading newspaper for so many years in our country, and you know them celebrating Indian films.
And they are doing a very good job.
It's their first time, but it doesn't seem like it's the first time. From the time that I entered that airport, everything has been so sorted.
It's very nice that it's on an international platform. Indian films will be showcased, or there are reasons that we can take Indian films and show them around the world. Starts in Vancouver, which is a pretty city, has been always very film friendly.
They chose a beautiful place, Vancouver. So I guess it's all going good.
And everyone in Canada, Toronto, Edmonton, Calgary, Vancouver has always been, I think, huge supporters of Indian films. So it's a great place to start off.
It's really great. I wish them a lot of luck.
Today we've got the technical awards. So what do you think it's going to be like, and the experience of felicitating the technicians?
Well, it's very important to felicitate all the technicians who get the awards. They do form the backbone of every film that is made.
Firstly, I don't like to call them technical awards because they are not technicians, they are not tightening screws, they are artists.
We are all technicians. The director's a technician, everyone's a technician. So I think it's the same thing. I mean, you can't say that they're technicians and we're not. Even I'm a technician. So we're all, part of the same gang.
Technicians actually who make us look so good. The editor who decides which is the best shot that finally goes into the film.
They're probably more artistic than many people, or most people on the set, including actors.
But I think the guys who are in front of the camera, they mostly take away the limelight, and then that's part of the job.
The person who gets into this business knowing that he's an editor or a cinematographer knows where he's going to be behind the camera, and he accepts it.
But I think the most important aspect of filmmaking is all the technicians, whether it's the camera, the lighting, the costumes, or the screenplay, or the dialogues, and it's always heartening that you have a separate day dedicated to honoring them.
क्योंकि technical awards वाले जो होते हैं, technical crew, वो mostly ignore हो जाते हैं. उनको कोई so to honor them is a great thing. क्योंकि उनके बिना I don't think हमारी movies इतनी अच्छी बन पाएंगी जितनी बन रही हैं.
So it's very exciting. I saw some of the awards, and congratulations to all the winners, and those who don't win tonight. I hope they do in the next few films that they make.
At least they are giving technical award at least, no? Like that thing. Yeah.
And I'm really happy that there's a completely separate award show for them.
Because I don't think any award is deserving if you take out the technicalities of filmmaking.
So I'm there to root for them because without them we wouldn't have a film.
I hope that my film Barfi wins a lot of technical awards, and I'm here to support that.
Well, I hope Barfi और अग्निपथ को सारे awards मिले.
बहुत ही modest है ये. थोड़ा हाथ खड़ा कर दिया. Me, आस.
Please, हमारे को सारे awards मिलने चाहिए. But jokes aside, I think the technicians are the ones that they're the unsung heroes of films. और हम लोग actors बहुत ज़्यादा credit ले लेते हैं. पूरी film हमारे shoulders पे लोग कहते हैं, लेकिन ऐसा सच नहीं है. जो technicians हैं, they are the ones who actually make us look like what we are. So we are here for support.
इतना भार हमारे shoulders पे पसंद नहीं है, उन्हीं को दे दो तो अच्छा है.
हमारा नहीं है, उनको दे दो.
A lot of sightseeing, some technical awards, some are day 2 here at the Lux Gogi Times of India Film Awards in Vancouver, quite beautifully I say. But a lot of excitement still remains, और हमें पता लगाना है that who takes this beautiful, gorgeous trophy home. Welcome to day 3 at the Lux Gogi Times of India Film Awards here in Vancouver, British Columbia. Well, it's a lovely sunny afternoon, which is a pleasant surprise from all the cold weather we've had so far. तो मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना इस सनशाइन को एंजॉय करने के लिए मैं अपने साथ एक ग्लैमरस सेलिब्रिटी को इनवाइट करूं and have a candid moment with them. So, with me today is the very glamorous tree के पीछे Mugdha Godse. Yay! Hello there.
Hi.
Hi. Red carpet पे तो बहुत बातें होती है. So I thought this is a perfect chance, beautiful weather, to have you out here and have a candid chat with you.
Yes, cherry blossom trees, and
Why not?
What more you want?
We're at Stanley Park. यहाँ पे बहुत से cherry blossom trees हैं, which is also the specialty of the place. I'm thinking अभी तुमको एक और जगह लेके जाती हूँ.
Okay.
मुग्धा ने मुझे बताया कि उनको फिश बहुत पसंद है. I thought, what about a little surprise? So Mugdha, I have you to ask. What do you think of my little surprise for you today?
A wonderful surprise, Supreet. लेकिन मैंने बोला था मुझे fish खाना पसंद है.
वो मैं vegetarian हूँ. तुम्हें खाना पसंद है, मुझे दिखाना पसंद है. So that's why I got you here.
Cool, but this is so beautiful.
So now that I gave you my lovely surprise, should we continue with our afternoon?
Yes, let's do
Let's
that.
go.
Come on.
Right. तो हम पहुंच गए हैं प्रॉस्पेक्ट पॉइंट लुकआउट. कैसा लगा आपको मेरा ये सरप्राइज?
ये सरप्राइज भी बहुत बढ़िया है, Supreet. I'm just loving it. Look at this water, the bridge, the mountains, and the city. Oh my God.
Everything that's beautiful about Vancouver individually, whether वो यहाँ का Lions Gate Bridge है, या फिर the ocean, or the mountain that we were up at yesterday, Grouse Mountain, सब कुछ एक ही व्यू में समेट किया है, ऐसे लगता है. I've done my bit. और अभी हमको अपना बिट करना है, because अब होने वाला है the TOIFA Awards, जिसके लिए आप यहाँ पे आई हैं.
Of course, yeah. उसके लिए जिस function के लिए हम यहाँ आए हैं, you're seeing this whole beauty, which is ready. So are you ready?
I've got to go get ready and then catch you on the red carpet again. Well, मुझे तो सिर्फ red carpet के लिए ready होना है, लेकिन हमारे stars पे बहुत pressure है because they're going to perform this evening. So how about we find out how they're getting ready and let's go join their rehearsals. Welcome back to Lux Cozy Times of India Film Awards here in Vancouver, British Columbia. अब वैंकूवर में करने को इतना कुछ है कि टाइम का पता ही नहीं चलता. But finally, I've made it here on the much awaited night. यहाँ पे fans चीख रहे हैं, चिल्ला रहे हैं, अपने stars की एक glimpse देखने को तरस रहे हैं. Lots of cheering going on. So let's go ahead and see who's gracing the red carpet tonight. What's the expectation from tonight at TOIFA?
Lots of expectations, and that's clearly because it's Times of India, and I am sure that they're going to give us something really, really exciting.
What is the expectation from the last day tonight at TOIFA?
Oh gosh, it's going to be spectacular. It better be, right? Like everyone's looking forward to it. I'm super excited. I love watching people perform, and I want to know what kind of skits are going to be happening. And yeah, it's good. It's a reunion, right? It's a fun, glamorous reunion.
It's wonderful. Welcome. More the merrier. You know, the Times of India has always done a wonderful job at honoring the film industry, and I think TOIFA is a great initiative. And we're very happy to be here in Vancouver for the first TOIFAs.
In this first year, it's so fantastic. I wonder what's going to be in second year.
First of all, your take on TOIFA in Vancouver.
Well, it's great to be here. It's a beautiful city, enjoying ourselves here thoroughly. And hearty congratulations to the Times of India group for pulling this off. I think they've done a great job.
We are so thrilled to be in this partnership with Toifa. As you know, one of the biggest media conglomerates in the world. They can absolutely move mountains in terms of making sure people know where British Columbia is and helping us build our relationship with India. And you know what? This is a pretty big event. Not many organizations in the world could have pulled this off. I mean, you think about, we hosted an Olympics here in 2010, and I think Toifa might pull off a better job than the Olympic Committee even did.
जब वैंकूवर जैसे ठंडे शहर में लोगों की इतनी वार्मथ मिलती है, इतनी चीयरिंग होती है, तो कैसा लगता है?
खुशी होती है ना, it's very fulfilling and very humbling and
really encouraging, and it's lovely. I mean, we're so far away from home, yet to feel that warmth and love from everybody here. It's well, thanks to all of them.
It's a beautiful place and the people are so nice and warm. You know, they've given such a nice warm welcome. So thank you guys.
अगर मुझे मौका मिले ज़िंदगी में तो मैं ज़िंदगी भर यही करता रहूँ कि सबका शुक्रिया अदा करता रहूँ कि इतना प्यार लोगों ने मुझको दिया. So it's really nice.
भी मिल रहा है लोगों से प्यार.
ये लोग नहीं तो फैमिली है.
Have you been to Vancouver before?
I have as a kid, yes.
And as a kid, there's a kid that's joined you guys as well. I suppose I've been told Aradhya is here.
Yes, she is.
So how's it been to be in Vancouver as a family?
Oh, fabulous. I mean, this is such a pretty city and there's so much love out here. We can just say thank you so much, and we're looking forward to performing for such a loving audience out here.
Who are we wearing tonight? I know you always look gorgeous, but meri taraf se this is the best look I've seen on you.
Wow, thank you. I think Arpan will be very happy. I'm wearing Arpan Vora today. I thought wearing an Indian designer to, show outside of India would be fun.
Oh, you look stunning. Who are we wearing tonight?
I'm wearing Naeem Khan.
Who are we wearing tonight?
Christian Dior.
Looking fabulous. Since all these award nights are also about fashion, I have to ask who we're wearing tonight.
Well, this is a Sabyasachi outfit.
And Abhishek, you?
I'm wearing Manish Malhotra.
All right, you guys have a fantastic night ahead.
Enjoy the evening.
Color on men's always nice. I'm sure, Karan, you would agree. So who are we wearing tonight?
I'm Dolce & Gabbana. Is that what I'm supposed to say? Yeah, okay.
What about you?
I'm not wearing Dolce & Gabbana, unfortunately. I'm wearing something that Shiraz designed for me.
It's Sabyasachi Mukherjee, one of my most favorite designers. I'm really happy to be wearing one of his outfits.
I know that all films have been fabulous this year, but koi aisi in particular that you think will stand out?
All of them. I think this has been a wonderful year for our film industry where we made some wonderpat films.
Definitely Agnipath and Barfi, I think should be.
I think Barfi is going to do extremely well.
कहानी English, oh my God, सारी फिल्में इस साल अच्छी है. कितना मुश्किल सवाल पूछा आपने. Gangs of Wasseypur.
डिप्लोमेटिक आंसर हो गया, सारी लिस्ट हो गई है तो.
आप भी बताइए एज ए व्यूअर, आप खुद भी डिसाइड नहीं कर पाएंगे, सारी फिल्में इतनी अच्छी हैं.
I think Barfi is winning a lot of awards, but then there are a lot of other kahanis there, so many and all good films. So let's fingers crossed for everybody.
Whoever wins, everybody else is a winner. You know, it's an incredibly good year last year.
बहुत सारी फिल्में. I think Barfi was definitely one of my favorites, and English Winglish. So I don't know. Let's see which one wins.
Well, thank you so much. You enjoy your night. We'll catch you after. I'm with Mr. Ashok Todi, Chairman, Lux Industries, along with his beautiful daughter, Priyanka. First of all, thank you so much for giving us such a great experience. सबसे पहले बात करते हैं Lux Industries की. हमें बताइए कुछ इसके बारे में.
Our Lux Industry Limited is the 55 years old company and is the biggest innerwear brand in India now. And now the industry want to come with the Toifa here in Vancouver. And I wish and I think so it will be the best for the future time.
और Lux Cozy की जो ये association Toifa के साथ हुई है, उसके बारे में आप क्या कहेंगे?
We are very much dealing with the Bollywood industry and we are very much close with the Bollywood industry. आज हमारे ब्रांड एम्बेसडर है सनी देओल, शाहरुख खान. एंड हमें ऐसा लगता है कि टोइफा के साथ हमें मिल करके और इस बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री के साथ में हम और आगे बढ़ते हुए अपनी कंपनी को आने वाले टाइम के अंदर में बहुत आगे लेके जा सकते हैं.
इतना ग्रैंड स्टेडियम, अराउंड 30,000 लोग, बहुत से स्टार परफॉर्मर्स और इतनी ज़्यादा एक्साइटमेंट. Well, I really want to go see what's happening inside. Why don't you get a glimpse with me? Star Star performances, special awards, lots of fabulous hosting, screaming fans. I think Vancouver has witnessed one of its grandest evening tonight. And with that, we come to the end of Lux Cozy Times of India Film Awards first edition. But don't worry, because we're going to be back next year with another destination. वो कौन सी होगी? You'll just have to wait and watch. But now this is Supreet Bedi signing off with the best of Toifa. Enjoy. And of course, keep watching Zoom, India's #1 Bollywood channel. Bollywood Awards में ये सबसे पहली association है. It's for the first time that Lux Cozy has come together with an award of this nature. So how do you feel about that?
Yeah, this is the first time we are associating in such a big manner. We have already done many associations. We have done few in films. We have been associated with many celebrities till now. But yeah, this is a great platform which Times of India has given it to us.
और इस पहली एसोसिएशन के लिए जो वेन्यू चूज किया है, जो हमने डेस्टिनेशन चूज की है, that is absolutely gorgeous. How has your experience in Vancouver been?
Vancouver is an amazing city. I've been here from past 4 days and we have been roaming around and it's like beautiful. Toifa has chosen a very nice place for his first award function.
आपका experience Vancouver में कैसा है sir?
Vancouver is really a lovely place. I came first time here and it's a good luck for us because our thing is this, अपना अलग पहन के चलो, and we are wearing, so that's why I come to Vancouver.
और क्योंकि ठंड यहाँ पे इतनी है कि लक्स कोजी की तो शायद बहुत ही ज़रूरत पड़े. So that's the perfect destination that you have chosen, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it goes well with the city as well.
And have you had much chance to interact with all the stars? And it's been such a grand nature. इतने star performers हैं यहाँ पे. Almost the best of Bollywood is here. So how has the experience been with the stars?
Yes, it's amazing. It's a starry night right now. So it's really amazing. It's superb.
And in the Vancouver आने के बाद ऐसा लगता है कि वास्तव में ये जन्नत है. और
इस जन्नत में सितारे भी लिटरली उतर के आ गए हैं बॉलीवुड के.
और जब सितारे जब जन्नत में आ जाते हैं तो जन्नत में 4 चांद लग जाते हैं, जो कि यहाँ पर आज हो चुका है.
अभी आपने मिस्टर अशोक कुमार टोरी, चेयरमैन ऑफ लक्स इंडस्ट्रीज एंड प्रियंका टोरी से सुना कि how was their first association with Times of India Film Awards. And now let's have a look on what our celebs have to say about their lucky charm.
Scripts, working with good people, and that's my lucky charm. My family and I don't know. Yeah, that's true. I guess.
I don't really believe कि कुछ ring पहनने से या मेरा right मोजा पहनने से कुछ something happens or it's supposed to make you lucky. I just believe if you work hard, and I am a genuine believer in hard work, and positivity. So I really believe if you just have a positive frame of mind, things are going to happen.
I've never had that experience of something working bar because of something. So I don't see any reason to believe in it. I believe I am just very simple and boring, and I believe in hard work.
I try not to believe in superstitions, and mostly I don't. So I don't do anything. I hope for the best. I work hard and I hope for the best.
My wife is my lucky. I'm not a very religious person. For me, going to the temple and praying, I'm in that stage where I'm a little confused if it's belief or habit. But no, I'm not a very religious guy.
So ये तो थे celebrities के lucky charms. What about their favorite gadgets? Let's find out.
I would say I'm not a gadget person either, but somehow I have been gifted. So I have, a computer, I have a MacBook, I have an iPad, I have an iPod, I have an iPhone, and I'm like, on how many platforms am I going to check my email? So I only use my iPhone, I don't even use anything else.
I am constantly changing my phones every 3 months. Laptops, tablets, plasma screens, stuff like that.